On YouTube, it's your boy FXGAS, Skyros, Splash, whatever you guys want to call me, guys. I do have a lot of names, I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, back at it again with another masterclass, this time with an analysis on the charts with what we're gonna be expecting here in the market, guys. So in front of us, guys, I'm gonna make this very quick and very simple, right? We've got us the GBPCAD, the Great British Pound versus the Canadian dollar. Very simple, guys. We are on the weekly time frame over here. I'm just going to point out like max like 5 things for you guys, right? So if we're on the highest time frame, remember this right now, we're on the weekly time frame, guys. As we can see with this trend line over here that I've drawn over here, that I've pointed out for you guys. Let me delete this other one, I'll get there in a second. We've got here an upward trend line showing that market is currently in an uptrend, right? It's as simple as that. So we've also got ourselves not a daily, not a 4-hour, a weekly resistant slash support zone, guys. A weekly. I've stressed it before in my previous videos, guys. I'm just going to say it simply now. The higher the time frames and the more visible the zones, the more powerful it's going to be. That's what I'm going to say. So we've got ourselves a weekly support zone over here, guys. If I stretch this out, pause, you can see over here that this zone is damn strong. Even in 2020, this zone was here, right? So you can see that this zone is not messing about over here, guys. If ever the market breaks this support zone and it retests it, we're going to the top side, guys. You know what I'm saying? It's as simple as that, right? So from there, we're going to go into the daily time frame, guys, just so that we can see more of the movements, so that you guys can understand what it is that I'm actually seeing at the moment. So as I said, guys, market has been buying quite healthily, if that's a word, ever since the 4th of November 2022. On a constant uptrend, market has just been respecting it, giving us higher highs and higher lows, starting with this low over here, us having a higher low over here, you know what I mean? So market has just been a healthy uptrend. Now on the daily time frame, guys, we have ourselves an inverse head and shoulders. Our left shoulder being this over here, neckline, here's our head, neckline, right shoulder over here, and now market is simply finding itself a support zone to retest on and send us to the moon, right? Guys, it's that simple. So I've shown you a support zone number 1, I've shown you an uptrend number 2, I've shown you a head and shoulders number 3. Let's go deeper, right? I'm just gonna remove this for now, guys, so that we don't get confused. Remember, we've got ourselves an inverse head and shoulders on the daily time frame, and we've got ourselves a weekly support zone. Hey man, it's not a game, this thing, guys. It's not a game, this thing. So as I zoom in a little bit more, guys, so we're just going to be finding a healthy support zone with which market could possibly be retesting on. In fact, guys, we could actually find this on the daily time frame, because I can already see where the zone it is right now at the moment. But it's something like this, guys. I hope you guys can see it. Let me just drag this out. Market is simply coming to retest this zone and give us a bullish movement. We're going to be waiting for a confirmation. Let me just go into the daily time frame just to make sure that I've got this accurate for you guys. You know, I'm literally giving you guys all the game here, man. It's not even funny, man. At this point, it's not even funny. Serious, it's not even funny. Look at this, guys. I think the support zone is something like this, guys. Yes, exactly like this. In fact, exactly like this. I'll drag this out. Whenever market enters this zone, guys, market starts to become seriously turbulent, guys. There's some serious turbulence over here. I'll show you guys this quite clearly with the path even. Whenever market approaches this zone, right, market is rejected, right? Showing that whenever it's under it, it's a strong area of resistance, right? Right around here, guys. You know what? Let me fetch my circle, guys. There is a lot of turbulence. Remember, this is the daily time frame. Look, market is just consolidating. Whenever it enters the zone, expect turbulence, right? Or rejections. Another area of rejection happened right over here. Market approached this zone over here, was rejected. When it broke through it, it came back and went to the top. Rejection, right? Okay, cool. Market is approaching it now, guys. What's gonna happen? Rejection or turbulence, right? But it's not gonna be that turbulence because, guys, we've already seen on the daily time frame we have ourselves an inverse head and shoulders. One of the strongest patterns, guys, that it is that I've noticed, or I feel market likes to give to us, right? You just need to learn how to approach it. It's all the same, guys, it's just a different approach, right? So I'm expecting a buy to be happening here, guys, over the next couple of days. Hopefully this week, the market can give us a bullish engulfing candlestick that can give us correct confirmation that, listen, the buys are ready. Alternatively, what you guys can do, you even have the option of drawing yourself, shout out to NZDCHF Ninja, guys, he calls it the 90% rule. So basically what that is, guys, let me just show you, let me rather just show you, as you can see, the trend, this is our major trend line ever since the weekly time frame, right? But if we just go according to that, we're gonna grow old waiting for this buy to happen, guys. I'm telling you, we're gonna grow old. So you just go into the 4 hour or the daily time frame, draw yourself a second too. You know what I'm saying? That's the 90% rule, or at least what it is I understand. Shout out to NZDCHF Ninja once again, guys. You know what I'm saying? You put me on, guys. Make sure you subscribe to that gen. So if you look over here, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Market is respecting the trend line beautifully, guys. Perfect support zone for it to land onto and give us a proper buy. You know what I'm saying? If you guys missed this buy, it's because you gents are not listening to me. Keep your eyes on this. I'm literally telling you. I'm telling you guys, there's a buy happening here, waiting to happen, right? If I go into the daily time frame, I can find us a nice take profit, guys. Let me find you guys a nice take profit, right? Nah, it's just a comfortable something, alright? You know what I'm saying? We can put our take profit here, guys. It's very simple, right here. I'm gonna give us a green line right here. That's where we can expect to put our take profit, guys. And then let me show you guys where to put in your buy positions after confirmation, guys. Wait for confirmation. You guys are not patient. The other day somebody sent me a message on Instagram saying, hey Olutu, you said that this thing was a buy. It was a buy. Homeboy bought too early because you don't wait for confirmation. I'm not gonna give you guys all of my game over here, guys. For that, I would like to, you're gonna have to pay me, hey? No, serious, you're gonna have to pay me for that, guys. Look at that, guys. A comfortable 1 to 6 risk reward ratio. You can possibly put your stop loss a little bit below just for safety, giving you a nice 1 to basically 5 risk reward ratio, guys. GBPCAD, guys, that's a buy this coming week. We can actually alternatively look at Forex Factory. I know that there's going to be some economic news events for Canada. Let's have a look at what's going to happen in this coming week, guys. Let's see, we're in Feb, right? Let's see, the 4th of Feb, the 5th of Feb, because today's Sunday, sorry. CAD. No economic news at all for CAD, guys. However, we do have a little bit of economic news for the Great British Pound. It's just financial services, not a lot of high impact news. Let's have a look at what's happening on Tuesday, guys. Yeah, building permits for CAD, guys. We've got employment change for New Zealand dollar, which I'll get to in a second, guys. But it's not looking like that much high impact news for the Canadian dollar this week. Let's have a look at what's happening on Wednesday. Trade balance, summary of deliberations. Guys, this is what we like, because normally like a lot of the time when there's news events is that it gets into the way of the progress of the market, which is what we don't want. Oh, there we are. On Friday, guys, this coming Friday, put this on your calendar, guys. We've got employment change and unemployment rates. Remember, it's the beginning of the month, guys. This is what happens. We normally get this stuff every Friday of every week, right? There is an unemployment change, so that's what we can wait for. But I'm not going to be waiting for that. I'm waiting for my confirmation. Probably I would have already hit my take profit by then, guys. Expect a buy here with the GBPCAD, guys. This is our secondary upward trend line. Remember that. The closer it gets to this thing, the hotter it's going to get, right? Moving on, guys, I think that we should also analyze the euro to the New Zealand dollar. Guys, let me show you guys this picture. Yo, you remember this thing that we killed over here? Market now came back to retest this previous area of resistance now as an area of support. if I just go into the daily time frame, it will be more visible for you guys to see. Remember, when market was in between here, market was just simply consolidating, guys. Market managed to break out, came down to retest over here, guys. Market, it gave us a confirmation. We're still holding on to this trade as well, guys. Gave us a confirmation. I think it was on Thursday, or was it on Friday? No, it was on Friday, guys. It was at 4 o'clock. We bought. It wasn't. I'm lying, guys. Confirmation was at 12 o'clock. Yeah, because it was quite early. We bought at 12 o'clock, guys. Ever since we've just been floating in profit, minor profits, waiting for market to come back to our take profit over here and possibly break this area of resistance. Once it does that, guys, we're going to be waiting for a retest on it as an area of support and taking us to this area of resistance as a take profit. So, but for now, guys, currently comfortably floating in profit over here with the euro to the New Zealand dollar. Nothing much to say over there, guys. Moving forward, let's go on to the New Zealand dollar to the Swiss franc. I would like to you guys lately, hey, I've been enjoying the Swiss franc, guys. Just me, guys, my own personal opinion. I feel like these miners, like these forex miners, they give you nice patterns, like nice structures. You know, they like to respect your zones. That's just me, guys. But anyway, let me just go into the daily time frame and show you guys the zones in which this market is operating within, guys. As you can see, market has heavily been in a downward trend, guys. Yo, like nothing is stopping the Swiss franc, guys. This thing is looking strong, guys. Like, look at this. Market has been giving us 3 touches on the downward trend line, right? Touch number 1. Okay. So let's just put that back over here. Give me a second, guys. Touch number 2. Okay. Touch number 3, right? Confirmation number 1. 3 touches on the downward trend line, confirming that, okay, market is ready for its final push to the bottom side before it can start to look at reversals. Unless something happens, guys. I don't know, but you know what I'm saying. I'm just talking about what it is I'm seeing here within the market. You know what I'm saying. So, oh, okay, that's cool. That's simple. Market had created itself some zones over here when it was on its trend, on its downward trend. There was a strong area of support over here. As you can see, market had previously failed to penetrate this area of support. Once it did, retested it as an area of resistance, making it a valid zone, right? Cool. Market came to this daily. Remember, guys, when I have a gray zone, it's a daily support zone, right? Market bounced off of this daily support zone, tried to penetrate this area of resistance. It failed to do that, which made it come back down here and give us a double bottom on this area of support, still failing to penetrate the strong area of resistance, right, guys? We ever since have been looking for proper confirmation for a sell. Hence, we have this channel over here on the 4-hour time frame. We haven't really been able to find that clean sell because market has just been going up and down and up and down. So what we said was, okay, you know what? It's okay. Let the market do its own thing, right? We're gonna catch the wave, right? That's what we do. We catch the wave. We don't create the wave here in Forex, right? Created ourselves, or we didn't create anything. We found another area of support, right? Valid area of support. Market had previously created itself a double bottom over here, guys. As you can see, market approached it over here, bounced up, met an area of resistance, came back down to this area of support, giving us our second bottom. Hence is why it's called a double bottom. Came to this area of resistance and started giving us higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Failed to penetrate this higher high, hence we're back down over here, guys. Which is, I'm just trying to show you how it is we're able to find this area of support. Area of support was still valid throughout December and January, right, guys? So now we get to the good shit, right? Okay, market has, while it was in that area of support trying to penetrate it, it was creating itself another area of support, right? Ever since we've been waiting for it to crack it, market was able to crack it over here, right, giving us a nice retest and has engulfed the bullish candlestick that rejected it back into the area of resistance, giving us our nice confirmation for the sell. So literally right now, guys, it's Sunday, it's 18 minutes to 6 in the evening South African time, guys. The sell is ready, right? But the market is closed, so we can't sell. Whenever the market opens, guys, I'm just gonna give it 1 hour, or 3 hours rather, 3 hours, just see how market is moving really. If it's still going in my intended direction, guys, I'm putting my sell over here. My stop loss will just be above by this purple zone, guys. My take profit will be down over here, giving me a nice and comfortable 1:69 risk reward ratio, guys, or 2:75, whatever it is, really. That's a comfortable sell, guys. I'm giving you guys the game, not all the game, but the game that matters, right? You guys, all you need to do is really listen, and you guys can start trading like me and able to see these buys and these sells, because it's really right in front of us, guys. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, that's my analysis over here on the charts. It's your boy Forex Gas, Skyros Splash, with another masterclass here on the charts for you guys. And I'll see you guys in the middle of the week with an update with how these trades are going, guys. Yeah.